surprising gift wrapping trick. With this method, even the simplest present will look like $1,000,000. Start by grabbing a plain paper bag and a pair of scissors. Make cuts about 2 inches deep along both sides of the bag. Next, fold the top strip outward. Just below the cuts, fold the bottom parts of the bag on both sides to create triangular flaps. Place the gift inside the bag. Now take a colorful ribbon. Choose any style that suits the occasion. Wrap the ribbon around the bag exactly at the fold. Trim the ribbon if needed. Tie it just like you'd tie a necktie, going slowly and carefully. Add a bit of glue or double-sided tape to the paper strip and press it inside to hold everything in place. Cut the ribbon ends to resemble a tie tip. This way, you'll create gift wrapping that looks like an elegant shirt with a tie. This clever presentation is sure to impress the recipient.